Welcome to JMV LPS Limited. Every great journey begins with a vision to create, to innovate, and to protect. In 2003, under the visionary leadership of founder Mr. Neeraj Saini, with a small team of 3 to 4 people, a dream took shape. Led by a strong vision to manufacture world-class solutions in India, built for Indian conditions. From a proprietorship to becoming a private limited company in 2008, and then evolving into JMV LPS Limited in 2012. We didn't just manufacture products. We redefined the way earthing solutions were designed in India, moving from conventional calculations to advanced, software-driven simulations. And with every step, we expanded our horizon. In 2010, we entered lightning protection. In 2012, we became one of the first in India to manufacture surge protection devices. Then came a defining breakthrough, the Indian Railways. From our first RDSO approval in 2018 to delivering critical signaling solutions like RDPMS and relays, we became a trusted name in mission-critical infrastructure. What began as a team of 4 is now a family of over 500 professionals. When the world slowed down, we accelerated, transforming into a technology-driven company with strong capabilities in AI, machine learning, and IoT. Today, our impact speaks for itself. We hold 80% of Indian railway projects for optical fiber-based intrusion detection. Our solutions are securing the backbone of the nation, from Noida to the world. With 6 active production units and 3 more under construction, our footprint spans 1 lakh square meters. Our commitment to quality is reflected in every certification. And now, we step into the future. 2026 marks the beginning of a new chapter, with expansion into electronic interlocking, smart energy meters, and electric loco propulsion systems. But this is just the beginning. With next-generation cybersecurity solutions, advanced propulsion technologies, and intelligent energy systems. With over 1,000 projects delivered across the globe, from the Gulf to Africa, our journey is far from over. Because at JMV, we don't just build solutions, we build the future. JMV LPS Limited, engineered for India, built for the world.